right now we're going to do a carnation. Now a carnation, mine are going to be on wires, and what you would normally do is you could pipe a small bulb of frosting onto a wire, like so. This is with a number, I think it's with a number 7 tip. I just did a small bulb and let it dry overnight. I don't always have that kind of time though. So this is my 22 gauge wire, and I'm just going to stick it. This is a miniature marshmallow, is what this is. Okay, and I just stuck it in there. This is a 101 tip. You can use a 101, 102, somewhere around there. And we're going to start with a little bit of a wiggle here. And then it's kind of like a flower nail. You just kind of do like a rose. You just kind of wiggle it and make little petals and wiggle them as you bring them out. And around. What happened here? You can see that we just come down, and as we come down the marshmallow, our hand will start to lay out. Frosting's a little soft, but it's doing all right. A lot of times you have to hang them upside down. Should be all right. Because it does get quite heavy. Make sure you use very stiff royal icing. And as you can see, we have a couple here. A couple that we did earlier. Now I'm going to switch to a 102. And with our 102 and some wax paper, we're going to make a fuchsia. For a fuchsia, this is just going to be a simple fuchsia, not a double fuchsia. I want the skinny end. For me, I have it face away from me. And I kind of make them upside down. You just go up and down a little bit, and then up and then back. So you have 2 petals, and then another set right on top, like so. Okay, so we go up, like so. Okay, you can make them as frilly as you want. I just do a very plain fuchsia. What I have here is some stamens. These are just some stamens that you get at the store. And I want to cut the heads off. I took 2 of them, folded them in half, and cut the heads off. And I'm going to insert them into the center between the 2 petals. And then the one long one that I left the head on will go there in the center, like that. Same thing for this one. Now if you want, you can pipe these. Just pipe lines with a tip 1. Just pipe out strands so you can make them entirely edible. Okay, that's the first part. Now we need to make the top.